Hey guys, and welcome again to Crypto Gems. Today we're gonna talk about Royalty Black Card NFT project. So I'll be showing you their website, talking about their games, their giveaways, their roadmap, and I will be showing you their social media accounts from Discord to Twitter. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Gems, and of course check the description below for all the links and the information needed to start using this NFT project. And of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered in this video, and I'll be answering them as soon as possible. Have a nice one. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes only. So guys, we are now on royaltyblackcard.club, the official site of Royalty Black Card. And I'm going to show you their loyalty program, the ROC victims program, the roadmap, the game, the KYC and audit, and of course their most important social media account that they are using, which is their Twitter account. So stay tuned to the end of the video and make sure to check the description below for all the links and information needed to start investing your money in this project, because it is actually very cool. And as you can see here, the design is very cool also. So if you go down a little bit here, they are talking about their charity, their membership, everything that concerns their project, but we are interested first in their loyalty program. And since this project, it is very special because the people that made it, or the founders of this project, didn't want to have that stress of holding a digital asset. That's why they had this loyalty program. So the qualified NFTs holders, which are us or you that is investing in this project, will be reimbursed the amount of Ethereum initially used to mint that NFT. So, and you can read more about this topic when you go to their official site. Of course, the link will be in the description below, and press this button right here, which is the white paper. They are explaining everything in detail, so make sure to check their white paper, and of course that will answer all the questions that you're asking. So next we are going to the ROC victims program. And they have actually a cool perk that they added to their official website that helps the holders or the users that have trust in their program. So they have a ROC victim aid, and this is basically employing a refund wallet to help victims of ROC NFT projects. And the purpose of this perk, all in all, is to buy back ROC NFTs from the holders, and because they stated in their vision that they want to help restore faith in the blockchain and return trust into investors' heart, and they are actually launching a hashtag community first as a trust and as a compensation for their community that they are following them on social media. Either it is on Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and you can find all their social media accounts on their main page in their official website. They have here a Twitter account, a TikTok account, a Discord account, and of course an Instagram account. So make sure to follow them on their social media. Next, we're gonna speak about their roadmap that they have right here. So as you can see here, the roadmap is divided into 6 phases. Obviously, the first phase is gonna talk about their social media. So they created these social media accounts from Discord, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and a YouTube channel. Then they went for the whitelist, marketing, tokenomics, sneak peeks, and of course the website launch. The phase 3 has the KYC certificate that I will be talking about in a bit, all the influencers on social media, pre-sale, AMA and mint, and of course a Bitcoin giveaway, which is 4 Bitcoin giveaway. In the phase number 4, they had a Ukraine donation program. So there is a small percentage of the money that they raise from people that trust their project. They go to the Ukrainian charities, or they donate it to Ukrainian people. They have also DeFi investment, compound interest, NFT reveal, and then they have a small giveaway, which is 25 NFTs airdrop. In the 5th phase, they have 1 Ethereum floor price. They have 1 Bitcoin weekly giveaway, so each week they will be hosting 1 Bitcoin giveaway, a monthly charity donation, increase in rewards, and of course their merge store drop. And in the last phase, which is the 6th one, they have full mint refund, they stop the rewards, passive income, developed application, and the royalty debit card. So if you go up a little bit here, they have the game. So if you press that, it will take us to this page that speaks about their OpenSea game. So at the first step, they have 1 Ethereum floor, and this unlocks weekly Bitcoin giveaways. At 2 Ethereum floor, this unlocks 25 NFT giveaway. In the 3 Ethereum floor, this unlocks $100,000 winner, USD of course. In the 4 Ethereum floor, it unlocks the monthly Tesla giveaway. So they will be hosting every single month a Tesla giveaway. In the 5 Ethereum floor, this unlocks the special planned event that they will be announcing on their official website and of course on their social media. And at the last step, which is 6 Ethereum floor, this unlocks unforgettable mystery that they didn't announce yet, but it's gonna be very, very cool and very, very special. So let's go up a little bit here and press this KYC plus audit option, and it will take us to this site, which is coinscop.co. The link will be also in the description below, and here they are talking about the KYC verification. So Coinscop verifies the identity of project team members. First of all, Coinscop has the personal identification of the project owners. Second of all, they have verified the royalty black card with the KYC badge and the official certification. And in case of a rug pull, honeypot, or scam act, we will reveal their identities. So you are working with very professional people, very intelligent people, and they are trying to give as much trust in their project so it will be most trustworthy and more people hop in this project because it is actually very cool and a lot of people are actually going insanely viral on the internet. So make sure to follow their social media that I'm going to speak about now. So let's speak about their Twitter account, which is twitter.com/royalblackcard, and they actually have 5k followers there, and a lot of people are following them on Twitter and also on their Discord and Instagram. And as you can see here, they are posting a lot of daily posts, giveaways. They are announcing them on Discord. They have a bot that will send you a notification on Discord whenever they have a giveaway. They are also giving some updates, some announcements, new features that they are posting or getting on their official website. So make sure to follow their social media accounts to know their community, and of course to know all the new exclusive VIP announcements or features that they are adding to their official website. So guys, this is for today's video. We talked about Black Card NFT or Royalty Black Card NFT project. I showed you their website. I talked about their official announcements, their new giveaways, their roadmap. I showed you their official Twitter and showed you how to join their community via Discord. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel Crypto Gems, and of course check the description below for all the official sites and links that are secure to use. And of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. Have a great one. Bye bye.